Alright guys, Andy's Automotive here. Disregard the squeaking fan in the back. So we have this pin here. This is the one that goes for the actuator arm. Alright, I've drilled a hole through it. It is seized up. The arm itself moves freely, right? But the pin, listen to this, if I can move it. Ah, it's gonna jump off. So not gonna be able to do this. I don't have a cameraman. So anyway, so this is what I'm working on. I'll part this together. So I believe this pin is the problem. The is38 that I bought, the brand new one, this pin was easily removable. It's got the snap ring on top, and you just pop it off. Here's the little snap ring. Yes, it's off. All right, this is an is12, and I bought it to try to source through this problem. So now I have is12 MQB, is12. There's actually nothing wrong with this turbo. I just wanted to upgrade. So I bought the is38 that's over there in that box. But now I've got the new is20 that's in this box from a low mileage car. I've got another, I got several wastegates over there. So I have one is20, one is38, another is20 en route, MQB, is12, and regular non-MQB is12. Okay. There was nothing wrong with this turbo when I changed it, but now the car, all the piping, intercooler piping, and all that jazz has been swapped completely around. So I'm not putting that back the way it was. So I'm gonna find the solution to this problem for you guys, because this is ridiculous. Yes, I know the eBay wastegates are cheap, but out of literally 9, is it probable that every single one of them just doesn't work, right? It could be the ECU not talking to the computer correctly. It could be maybe the computer is registering higher boost, so it doesn't like it. But I can't get the voltage set on any of these. And I've had a few of these designs. I've got one of these. This is an actual Cooper standard, as well as the one that's on the other turbo that I took off of this turbo and put an extension rod on it. So that's a Cooper standard. That's a Cooper standard. I've got 3 eBay versions over there. And I've got another, this is20 is OEM, so it's going to have a Cooper standard on it. And then the is20 that's also on the way is going to have an oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe it's just this one, sorry, only one. Oh, the is20 that's on the car, duh. Anyway, so I drilled a hole through this, and I've got it to move, and it sounded like that hot creaking noise that it sounds like when you move hot metal or rusted metal. So it's got that going on. So let me see if I can get it to stand up and watch here without it turning off my video. Disregard the messy garage. Alright, so let's see. Even just trying to get the vice grips on this thing is a bitch. You hear that? And then it just spins off. So ultimately, I'm gonna have to just keep drilling this hole a little bigger until this pin gets hot enough to let go, and then it's gonna fall out. And then we'll see where we go from there. And I'll add this next part to the rest of the video. So I'm gonna drill that hole a little bigger, get it opened up enough to where this thing should get hot enough and let go. Worst case, I'll crush it on itself and then make it come out. Yes, I could put a tap in here, but if I can't move this thing with vice grips locked onto it directly, it'll be very hard to put a screw extractor, not a tap, sorry, a screw extractor on it and actually get it to move. So a few ways I could do this, but I'm going to start that way. I'm going to open this hole up first and see if I can get it hot enough to let go. If it starts freely spinning, I can just pop it out. If not, then we'll go from there. I'll probably use a rotary file or something, but in the meantime, this is part 1.